So, good morning and welcome to the Royal National Park in the south of Sydney. We have before us some of the most spectacular coastline on the coast of New South Wales. This area here, we have some rock ledges. We're fishing from the cliffs using 50-pound line with bread and fishing for drummer right underneath us in the wash here. So we're going to show you some action on that now. The gear here is very specialised, Alvey reels, heavy tackle, and we're going to use some Reaper hooks as well. So here's the rig. This is two Reaper hooks in a size 1/0, 30-pound fluorocarbon, a swivel, sinker, little float, another swivel, then a sliding bead here to protect the rod tip. This is a 5120 10-foot rock and beach rod and an Alvey reel with 40-pound line on it. So to prepare the bait, just going to put the bread in, push it through, squeeze it on, make a nice little ball. I run two hooks here because the bread does come off easily, and this can help getting a double hookup on smaller fish or just getting a more secure hookup on big fish. And we have to lift them up from down there. My hands to protect the line. See, we're fishing right there. You have to make sure you get that line nice and tight. Gloves are a little bit big. And look for the float somewhere. There it is. Just bring it in closer. The fish could be literally right here at your feet. That's where they could be. Bloody. Shit. There we have it, folks. Unclip. Hooked in the eyes. Look at that. Nice drummer. Excellent. Captain Reed. Up she comes. Yew! So this is what we're after here. This drummer's just a bit over 1 kilo. It's a really nice fish, probably 1.5 kilos, really solid. See that there? He just loves that Reaper hook. Up she comes. Up she comes. Come to David. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, that's a pig. That's a pig. That's a fuck. Look at that. Yep. Oh, it's not as big as the other one. There we have it, folks. There we go. Another beauty. Another beauty. Fucking hell, Brad. Hey? Unreal, man.
Another solid fish.
Yeah. Nice blackfish. Well done, Brad.
Blackfish
on 30-pound line. Blackfish on 30-pound line, baby.
That's it. A bit of bread.
This hole. The glory hole. Yo! Yeah, busted your float, yeah. It's a monster. Oh, fucking hell.
Place is just bloody going off.
Going off today. Yep.
Absolutely going off.
It's alright, getting was